Hello and welcome to this week's video. On this video we're going to be showing you a classic Barracuda from 1970 that's owned by one of our friends, and we thought we would just do a quick walk around and show you the engine and a few other things. So I'm going to turn it over to the owner, whose name is David, and he'll tell you a little bit about some of the different things, and we'll take a few shots and hope you enjoy the video.
My name's David, and this is my car, a 1970 Cuda. My dad gave me this car when he bought it right off the showroom from a Chrysler dealer, and I've had it ever since. And I painted it one time, and I painted this car about 30 years ago, and I have never touched the paint again. And it's got all the original wheels, the motors. It's got a few parts that I had to put on. All the inside is all original. It has an AM radio, not an FM, but it's got one speaker only. It's a 4-speed with a shifter, pistol grip, and it's just, I guess that's about it in the inside, you know, and the interior is all white. It's original. This is a 340 engine, and as you can see, I had to replace the carburetor and the air cleaner. My dad threw the original air cleaner away, which I wanted. And the radiator, I had to buy this one because I couldn't find the original one because this one rusted. But as you can see, no air condition, no nothing on it, just a plain simple motor in the car, and that's it.
I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.